Hello everyone. Nice to see you in online. We have not met for a long time. I offer you a short video about Latvian Centre of the ITI. I look forward to meeting you in real life and cooperation soon. I wish you luck, safety and health in this strange time.
The Latvian Centre of the International Theatre Institute has been operating since 1992, when Latvia became a member of the ITI UNESCO at the initiative of Pēteris Petersons. Brigita Siliņa has been the president of the ITI Latvia for more than 20 years. Actress, theatre director, she has managed international projects in the field of theatre and maintained Latvia's international relations with ITI national centres and many theatre festivals for more than 20 years. Brigita Siliņa is awarded with the Medal for Merits in Cultural Gloria Artis, the Badge of Honor and the title Polish Meritorious Cultural Worker. Juris Bartkiewicz, Vice President. Juris Rīnieks, Secretary General. Guna Zeltiņa, Board Member. The main goal of ITI Latvia is the integration of Latvian professional theatres into world theatre processes. The main projects implemented by ITI Latvia: Latvian theatre presentations abroad. Cooperation with international theatre festivals. Presentations of foreign theatres in Latvia. Polish Theatre Festival 2008 in Riga. A visit of Chinese theatre managers to Latvia in 2019. Participation in ITI World Congresses and events. Twice in 2020, in the spring and right now, the government declared a state of emergency in relation to COVID-19. All theatres are closed. All international theatre festivals are cancelled. Some premieres without spectators occurred at the Daila Theatre. The director of the new Riga Theatre, Alvis Hermanis, has filmed a series with his actors, and it is possible to watch it online. This is a very difficult and strange time for live theatre. The Daila Theatre celebrates its 100th anniversary this year. So, the Latvian National Theatre has sent a video greeting to the Daila Theatre on its anniversary, which we attach now as a greeting from Latvia to the entire theatre world.